Hey yo, YouTube. Hope you guys are good. Welcome to my channel again. This is another video. This is now today we're gonna be talking about a new bike in the market, and so especially here in South Africa where the petrol is very high. Thank you so much for coming through, guys. I really hope you enjoy the video, and also make sure you like and subscribe, and that will actually go a long way. All right, so let's get into it, right? So there's a new bike. Probably you have seen it on my title. It's called the Xpulse 200. So this bike is actually coming from India. Apparently people in India buy this bike once and they live with it forever. Like it can actually, outlive you. So that's how durable the bike is. It's a small bike, adventure bike. You can actually go off-road with it, and the petrol consumption on it is very low. Right, so this bike is called the Xpulse 200, right? And it has a 200cc displacement, and the engine type is oil cooled, which is perfect. So it's not like it's gonna heat up on you on traffic or anything like that. And the power it gives you 19 at 8,500 rpm, right? With what is this? The torque at 17.35 newtons, right? So this is a great bike, guys, for the price. I'll come into the price later on the video, right? And the tank on it, you get how much is it? 13 liters on the tank, right? You get 13 liters on the tank. And the fuel consumption in the city, it gives you 50 kilometers per liter, per liter, per liter, 50. All right, obviously maybe it's being exaggerated. Let me say around, you can get probably around 45 on it, 45, and then you should be fine, right? But then for just 1 liter, it goes a long way. It goes a very long way. And then you can have a full tank of 13 liters, which is in South Africa is around I'll put the price, the full tank price around here, but then it will be around a little over 300 rands basically. So that's how much you're gonna be getting on it. And another thing with this bike, right, it has ABS, right, on the front wheels, right? It has, so there's no locking up of wheels on this bike, right? For the price, perfect, and you can still go off-road with it, right? And also another feature that I like about this bike is that it has a Bluetooth connectivity, right? It has Bluetooth connectivity, which you can have 10 to 10 signals. So left on, if you go in somewhere, you can put in your location and it'll give you on the screen, digital screen, it'll give you 10 by 10 signals, right? Which is really sick, right? And yes, navigation, speedometer is digital, and it has a charging point as well for your phone or anything, or your vape or whatever that you wanna charge on the fly, right? And it has a windscreen. The windscreen obviously is gonna hit your head and whatnot, but then it covers up to around here when you are on the bike itself, right? So it will hit your helmet, but then for the cruising speed of the bike, normally, because you'll be cruising around 100 kilometers per hour, and not more than that. Doing over that, you'll be abusing the bike itself. But then it's more than capable of going to 120 kilometers per hour, right? So that's the bike itself. So thank you so much for coming through. The gearbox is a five-speed gearbox, right? And it has a kick and start thingy. Like when your battery is dead, you can just use kickstart to just charge up your battery or do that. And fuel injection supply, all the nice things, right? It has all the nice things. All right, yeah. So that's the bike. Thank you guys for coming through. I appreciate everyone that was here. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. For for the price for the bike, you get it for around 40,000, from 40,000 to actually 50,000. So I've seen it for 40, 48, 47 different. It varies for it varies by the color that you actually choose for the bike. But then perfect bike, guys. Yeah, 40K, 40,000.